Hello, welcome to the ASFM Maths Core June 2023 paper. Here we're looking at question 2. We have a cubic equation here where a and b are constants. Given that minus 3 plus 4i is a root of the equation f of z equals 0, determine the values of a and b. Okay, so if we know that minus 3 plus 4i is a root, we also know that minus 3 minus 4i is a root. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work out what the quadratic was to get these two solutions, and then work out what the third factor is going to be to get 175. So I'm going to add the 3 to the other side, and then square both sides, and then expand the brackets, and then add the 16 to the other side, so add 25 equals 0. So now this equation here, f of z, definitely has a factor of z squared plus 6z plus 25. Then we need to think about what the other factor is. Z, it must expand to give 175 at the end. So 175 divided by 25 gives us 7. So it must be z plus 7. So this is what f of z must look like factorized. All that leads me then to do is to then expand the brackets, and then that leads me to work out what a and b are. So it's going to be z cubed plus 7z squared, add 6z squared, add 42z, add 25z, just normal z, add 175, and let's simplify that together. F of z equals z cubed, add 13z squared, add 42, add 25, let's don't make any mistakes, do it on the calculator, 67z, add 175. There we are. So therefore a is 13 and b is 67. Excellent. Show all of the roots on a single Argand diagram. Sure, no problemo. So minus 3 plus 4i will be up here. And minus 3 minus 4i will be down here. And then the third root is going to be minus 7. So that's going to be somewhat over here, minus 7. So there we are, that's the answer for that question there. Part C is write down all of the roots of f of z plus 2. So this is a transformation where we need to make all of the z values 2 less, because what's going to happen is they'll add together to make, they'll add with the 2, and then they need to be a factor to make 0. So all of our solutions, we need to take away 2 from them, because the first thing we'll do to them is add 2, and then they need to be a factor of the cubic. So it's going to be minus 5 plus 4i, minus 5 minus 4i, and minus 9. There we are, that's the list of factors, list of roots for the equation f of z plus 2. And there we are, that's the answer to question 2, worth a total of 7 marks. Let's now move on to question 3.